What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are at the Torrance Nike outlet. Happened to be in Torrance, so I just thought I'd hit this Nike up, check what they got, see if they got some heat. Let's go see what we can find, you guys. There's the Torrance. In Torrance, California, guys. Look at this. Look at how it looks. Pretty decent size, not the biggest one. So, okay, see a 20% off the hash wall. Hope we find something. Alright, there's that little 20% off sign off the hash wall right there as well. So, size 10, we're in the size 10, my size. From right about right there to right about right there. And 10 and a half around the corner. Look at this. This is really interesting because we just saw these at the East LA outlet. So these for $100, 20% off. So it's an example of the shoe price being way different. Those are the chlorophyll 3s. Some size 10, got some generic Jordans. Aurora, $90, 20% off. What are these? What the hell? Air Force Ones? On clearance, $80 from 180. Yeah. Air Force One, super high boots. Super high boots. Still in the size 10. Look, we got all kinds of Janowskis, SB Zooms, all kinds of SBs. Soldier Toys, and for 90, 20% off. Okay. Kyrie 5s. Oh, okay. 110. Not bad. Got some Epic React Flyknits. $90. Not bad. Are these some? Oh, Vomeros. Oh, wow. 9.5 in the 10 area. But Vomeros, these are really. These really got some good tech in it. These really good runners for those who like to run. This actually has Nike Zoom Air inside here, and then it actually is encased with has full length Zoom Air, then it actually has React on the outside. So these are like a way better version of the Pegasus 3536 is way better version of those. Going for $90, man. That is legit. Way worth it. Check out the Pegasus 35. These are the Vomeros. So these have React. Both have full-length Zoom Air. This has React in it, and this one has Lunar Lawn, I believe. Vomero is noticeably bouncier. I'm gonna have to think about this one. Alright, so I just realized these are actually 9.5, so tend to be a little tight on my feet. Let's go see if they got some 10s. So scoured the 10s for the Vomero 14s. Nope. They got some. So they do it. All the Reacts are making their way to the outlets now. $90. It's not bad. Epic React 2 Flyknits going for retail. Okay. And they really don't got much. It's in the afternoon. Maybe I have to hit this place up in the morning. They really don't got much here at all. I'm in the 10.5s. This is the 10.5s right here. All the rest is 11s on the side. Some Epic React Flyknit 2s. Those are Flyknit 2s. Oh dang, those are interesting. Those are $90 because the 10s were going for retail. Those are going at a discount. That's a Converse, 110 for some Converse. Holy shit! These some specialized Converse. It looks like the 3M. Looks like that part's like 3M right there. Yeah, what's special about these? 100 plus, $120 for some Converse. I don't know. I don't really understand that. So that's interesting. Those other sizes were hitting for what, 85? These are going for 100. That's interesting. Oh wait, look, this answer's right here. Just looks like it's mislabeled. They really, I'm in the size 11s now. They really don't got much. It's pretty decent. Go for retail though. This is the Clots. Remember the Havens? I remember this was a collab. It's a collab. Some of the colors sold out on sneakers, some did not. Let's see. Let's look for other stuff. Okay, I've been seeing these here and there at the outlets. Just Speed Turf. I want to say like Barry Sanders used to have. I know Deion Sanders used to have sport these, but I want to say Barry Sanders used to have one similar to this as well. These are hitting for 110, and for 110 size 11.5. Not bad. I think I mentioned in this last video that, man, they've been having reflectives everywhere. Some sort of reflectives, 6, 7, 8, some sort of reflectives. Every time I hit the outlets lately. Retail, 20% off. These, okay, these are some lows, size 14. 160, that's not bad. Not bad. What's right next door? Next door, Pro Tros going for retail. The Carpe Diem colorway. Not bad. Oh snap, you guys. Got some breads. Oh wait. They're cleats. Probably got some of you guys. Hitting for retail, 20% off. Checking the smaller size for you guys. I'll go for 139. The Jordan 3 Chlorophylls. What's this right here? This is interesting. I'll just react to Flyknit. Oh, these are some Nike IDs. Someone created them, did not like them. I was wondering why you can return these. This one's not bad. The way they designed it, not bad. Some zoom all outs. I've been hyping these shoes up for quite some time. These are legit. Just kind of look boring, but they're super comfortable. I think these are the cheapest I've seen the Mama Rages. $50. $50, 20% off. What is that? What does that come out to? $40? Not bad. $40. Some LeBron lows. These are 8. Triple black. Okay, triple black. Not bad. The good section is looking weak. This is what they got, guys. No comment needed. Lift offs. Oh, that's a good price. That's a good price for people who want to budget Jordan. That's a good price. The Big Fund. Never heard of it. That one. Jumpman Hustle. Another bargain. Ends in a 07, which means it's clearanced out. So another 20% off. Not bad. And patent leather. What else? That's a zipper. Underneath kind of reminds me of the what's it called, those? The LeBron lows. Kind of reminds me of that. Triple black ones that we just saw. Not bad if you're on a budget. Not as good as the black ones because more expensive. But yeah, the Jumpman Hustles. Not bad. The TEs. Got a couple elements, stuff like that. Another 312. Fadeaways. Price is good. Shoes really mediocre, but the price is good. This is where I picked up. I wasn't able to make a video because I was in such a hurry to pick these up because I came here when it closed, but I did pick these up on Friends and Family. I think I picked up on Monday, the last day of Friends and Family. Picked these up for $100, $139 with 20% off. But 120 is not bad, not bad. Jordan 4 black lasers, not bad. I've never seen this colorway of the Mamba Rage. $70. Witness 3s, $70. Those are pretty much everywhere now. I thought on the app they said these were sold out. These are the Horsemen, LeBron 16 Horsemen. That's why I thought they said they were sold out, but guess not. Not bad price. Okay, apparently they got one of these. Let's see what size it is. Size 12. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's a size 12. Gym Reds. That's not bad. And look, I saw these a while back at an outlet, but look, now 20% off. They didn't have that before. See what size this is. Size 10.5. That's actually, I can wear 10.5. I think. Oh no, the 10s. No, the Jordan 5s. I think I got a 10 in that one. Yeah, I could probably fit it, but I don't know. That's just too high. I'm good on that. But look what's behind. Look what's under here. I don't think this is at a discount, but not bad. This looks kind of big. It's size 12 or something. Let's check. Cannot tell what size it is. It's a UK 10, which means size 11. Size 11. Not bad. Not bad. I guess this is their mini heat wall. Not bad, you guys. They pretty much got these everywhere for $120 now. Another Air Max 2017. Last one they got here. Not bad, $120. What's this? I've never seen this. A tech trainer? No clue what this is. No clue what that is. Never seen that. It's kind of like the bottom kind of looks like a Metcon for lifting. Oh man, right there is, I guess it's a shoe for lifting or cross training or something. Not bad price. I guess it's even a better colorway. Not bad. The Pegasus 34, 34, 34, 34, 34, 35, $20 more. More running shoes, you guys. And then the women's section, look at that. I got some 270 Reacts. Someone must have returned these. These just came out. What, last month? A couple months ago? Yeah, not bad. 20% off. Oh yeah, these are for somebody. Yeah, they're $80. The ugly. They're for you though. That's all good, but the ugly as hell, man. That's crazy. Going for retail. These are sick. These are nice for you women. Look at that. These are pretty sick. The Jesters. Air Force One Jesters. These are pretty sick. Not bad. 720s. 720s for you women. Not bad. Some Air Max 2017 for women. I love these shoes. Some people aren't big fans, but I love these shoes. Not bad. $80, 20% off. Not bad. Look for the women. Look at this. Oh, this is for the youth. Look for kids. Look at this. Some foam posits. These are sick. $95. $95. Man, half price. $95. 20% off. Not bad. That's probably a profit. I could probably resell that, but I'm too lazy to resell. Too lazy. That's the only stuff worth getting right there, you guys, right here. That's the heat right there. But time to go. Time to go. See you guys. You guys all need to make sure you guys join get that Nike app. Get some discounts and stuff. Get Nike Friends and Family twice a year as well. That really was an interesting trip. Yeah, I was really surprised they had. Damn, it's bright. Either way, so yeah, like I was saying, I was really surprised they had the Michigans for 20% off. That's like the second or third time I've seen the Michigans, and they've never been on sale because supposedly they're super exclusive. But yeah, other than the Michigans, there really wasn't that much. You know, if there's specific shoes that you like, but I didn't see nothing worth copping. So, hey, well, thanks for joining, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like and let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments. Yeah, I post 3 or 4 videos every week. So make sure you go ahead and join me in the future. And thanks for watching, guys. See you at the next one.